Hi, so today I'm going to present my assignment lab 4 and 5. My assignment is about data visualization with BI tools. The first step for data visualization is basically downloading a data set. So I have downloaded a data set of countries so that I can compare various characteristics such as their birth rate, death rate, and energy consumption. The link for the data set from where I've downloaded, I have pasted it in the presentation as well. Now, the first data visualization tool that I'm going to use is Power BI. Now, I have imported my data set in Power BI. So, as you can see, I have a CSV file for my data set, which I have imported in Power BI as shown on the screen. After that, I have used the data to create various charts. So, the first chart, as you can see here, I have created a comparison between the death rate and the birth rate, and I have put a filter for countries over here. So if I select any particular country, so it will automatically change my death rate, birth rate, and my total fertility rate. So this can give us a total overview for the countries, birth rate, death rate, and the fertility. The second chart over here is about exports and imports. So similarly, I have given a country filter over here. So I can select any particular country and check which country has a higher export or import rate. The third and the fourth chart are similar ones. Only the difference is the first chart shows details related to oil, that is the consumption, exports, imports, and the production. So here also I have a filter for country. Similarly for natural gas as shown below. So this is the energy consumption that can be predicted for every country. So if I select all of them together and I want to select all of them together, all of them will be filtered together as per the country, since I have applied a filter of countries to each and every chart altogether. So this is about the Power BI that I have visualized over here. So this can give me an overview about all the countries. Now the second tool that I have used is Tableau. So Tableau, I have imported my data again from CSV. So this is my data, my Tableau workbook, and this is the data that I have imported from Microsoft Excel import files. And the first sheet that I have made is the birth rate and death rate. So here I have put my countries in the column. So I have the birth rate and death rate into, my countries in rows and two columns, that is my birth rate and my death rate. And also I have created one more sheet in which there is imports and exports. For both the sheets, I have put my country in filters. So I have put both the sheets in one dashboard and I have given a common filter for country. So if I am selecting, say, Argentina, so this will give me the details only for Argentina. So this is all the dashboard that I have created. I can also create various other, like, suppose I want natural gas consumption, exports, imports, and production. So this I can use. So this will give me a So now here I can see the natural gas production. Again, this sheet as well, I can say natural gas. So again, this I will import in my dashboard. And here again, if I change my country, say Argentina again, so this will give me my Argentina dashboard. So this is how I have created for Tableau. I can also, so this is the only chart that is available right now for me. Others are not available because of the dimensions and all. So these were the data visualizations visualization tools that I have used. So I have created 2 sheets and a dashboard in Tableau. This is the video that is there for the link where my presentation will be uploaded. Thank you.